Well, what do you know? Look at it out there. This is my kind of weather. Cold and icy. Look at that. To all you summer lovers, weep. That's all I gotta say is weep. I think I'm gonna go outside. Wait a minute. Uh, Smitty, I want to go out. That's my sweater. Smitty? Come on. Come on, it's a nice day out there. Could I please go out? Please? Plus I want to I know that there's other shirts I can wear, but I want to wear this red shirt. Oh shit. Fuck me. Well, all right. I guess I'm not going out. I guess I'm reading my book. Take care.